Welcome back to another video, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. So today we have a bunch of maintenance details that I went ahead and recorded some content for you guys. So we have the Honda CR-V first up here. Now this wasn't in any bad condition, but you guys can see it's a little dirty. The trim needs to be shined up, the glass is a little dirty, the paint job needs a good wash, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do. Inside wasn't that bad. We just needed to vacuum it out, wipe down the doors, stuff like that, and just call it a day. So I believe this car actually took us an hour to do, and I really recommend you guys start adding maintenance clients to your schedule, man. You'll stay busy and booked, and most of all, you'll work less. You're working smarter, not harder. You feel what I'm saying? Like, yes, you're gonna be busy with all these maintenance cars, but not making as much money. But at the end of the day, like, these are loyal clients and customers, right? So they're gonna keep that consistent flow of income coming in for you. So I highly recommend you guys try and incorporate something like this into your detailing business. So yeah, anyways, we're detailing this Honda CR-V here. So we started with the outside, so we washed it, waxed it, and then I went ahead and started doing a quick vacuum on the interior because we didn't really need to be both on the exterior doing the job. So I just went ahead and cleaned out the inside and just finished it up, and then we headed off to the next client. All right, YouTube, and just like that, we are here at the second location. Now we did have 3 vehicles scheduled for this detail for this client. So we're on the maintenance detail with these vehicles. So this is a Expedition here. We have a Mercedes, black Mercedes right there in the corner, and we also had another Mercedes, but the client has to leave to go do some personal stuff. So what we're gonna do is knock these two out, right? So what me and Victor are gonna do is wash the outside, just wash them real quick, and then do the interior detail and stuff like that. Now the reason why we want to do the outside is because if we feel like there's more work to be done on the outside. So you got to do the wheels, you got to do door jams, you got to wash it, you got to dry, you got to wax it. So it's just like something we do. If we have more than one vehicle, we just wash it. It just feels a lot better to us to just get the wash out the way, and then we focus on the interior vacuum and detail, windows and all that stuff like that. So hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so we have this Mercedes and the Expedition right there, and we have them kind of like lined up so we can access both without any problems. So Victor looks like he's getting in the zone, so alright, so I'm gonna just go over what we're doing. I'm not saying this is the correct way to do stuff, or you should do it this way, or if you don't do it this way, it's not the right way. You feel me? Like, all I'm saying is this is what we're doing, right? So as Victor's doing the wheels and stuff, this Expedition is pretty big and it has a bunch of floor mats, so I just went ahead and removed them. Now Victor's already almost at the third wheel, so now I'm like, okay, I can completely start washing one side, right? So I'm just rinsing down the door jam, stuff like that, foaming it down, prepping it for the wash. And as Victor is moving along, I'm just spraying the wheels down for him, so that way we don't leave the acid, because we're using acid on the wheels, rinsing them down. So we don't want to leave the acid on the wheels for too long, so we rinse them off quickly, or as quick as possible. So I believe I washed the entire I guess driver's side here, and then Victor went ahead and started doing the wheels on the other car, which was the Mercedes. So I just went ahead and continued washing. And yeah, we try not to let it dry though, because it was pretty sunny, and that soap dries up on you quick, man. It dries up on you quick. So you guys can see here, he's over here working on the wheels on the other car, and I think he did the front one already. So then he comes back and then he turns the camera, but we try to do the best we can, man. You guys got to understand, we're out there working. It's pretty hard to pay attention to the camera and try to like place it in certain spots. So if you don't have a dedicated cameraman, it could be a very difficult task to try to get some content. It's not as easy as it looks, but the tripod definitely helps. It definitely does help, but a cameraman would be like way much better, and it's something that I want to incorporate, sometime in the future, to get more content, better angles and stuff like that for you guys. So basically now we just switched sides. I believe he did both these tires on the passenger side on the Mercedes already. So I just went ahead and started rinsing it down, foaming it down, and basically just started washing it. And then he's over there drying the Expedition and using spray wax. So we use spray wax or ceramic wax when it comes to maintenance details, right? Because we're coming back every month and getting them cleaned and waxed every month. Now we don't do that for deluxe or certain packages, right? We use actual colonite wax or actual Jascar polymer sealant. But for maintenance details, we are just strictly doing the maintenance wash and stuff like that. Now we're not saying that we're doing or using cheap stuff, but it is a little like it's a quick wash, you know what I mean? So we're not there trying to like polish and clay bar and you know what I'm saying. So we're just there to make it look clean again and basically get it fresh for the following month, right? So we didn't do anything on neither interior yet besides the door jambs. So Victor's coming over here, he's helping me out because it's a black car, and as you guys know, black cars dry up quickly. They dry up quick. So now it's time to start on the interior. So I believe Victor's just adding tire shine. He's drying up the door jambs and stuff like that. So I just went ahead and started vacuuming because this black Mercedes here actually had a lot of dog hair in there. So I'm about to show you guys actually a quick trick, right? This might be something you might already know, but I actually found this out like a few months ago and I actually started doing it. Now this won't work on every single car, but you guys can see here I have the Lily pet hair brush here. And like I said, it's not going to work on every car, but I think that on Mercedes or higher end vehicles with like special carpeting or whatever, it works out pretty well when you make these lines, right? So right here I'm just prepping it, just trying to get everything evened out, because when I was vacuuming, I kind of just destroyed it. I did this last month too. You guys can kind of see on the back seats there that I did the same thing. So I'm just going in horizontal lines, I guess, or yeah, horizontal lines, just trying to get the pattern on the Mercedes, and it adds a little, a little flavor, a little extra, oof to the detail. And the client was very happy with this. It's pretty simple, but it goes a long way. It doesn't have to be perfect because as clients put stuff in there, it's gonna get messed up either way. But it's just something I thought I'd pass on to you guys. Alright, YouTube, so we just wrapped up both the Mercedes and the Expedition. So we have the Mercedes right there, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and put a Mendez fragrance in this Expedition here, man, because y'all know how we do. We like the brand, we like to market, you know what I mean? We want the clients to be like, whoa, it doesn't smell anything good now. Now we gotta call Mendez back. So yeah, give me a second. There. Put that on there. Bam! Look good as new. Give you guys a little quick preview. I didn't get to show you guys the before because we had to get straight to work, man. We had to knock this car out. It's a big vehicle. Just the Expedition there. And we have the Mercedes GLC 300. Bang! It's the old Mendez one. I'm gonna have to put a new one in there. I got one up there, but I guess she put one there and up there. Who knows? Yeah, y'all can kind of see it. Victor, let me see that towel. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. hit that like button and go ahead and comment down below any questions, any concerns. How much did we make? How much did we charge? How long did we take? What color is the sky? Ask me anything you want in the comment section and I'll answer. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hustle never settle. Peace out, you guys. Keep hustling, keep grinding, keep getting after this money, man. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.